What up, y'all? So it's me, I'm back again. I'm doing a brand new opening, February, month of February, you know, Black History Month. That's what's up. Menlo, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of saved up a few. So I know what two are. I just don't know what the monthly subscription package is. So let's get into it. So again, because I know what, like, especially this one is like, I know what it is. I want to say that that's what's good about this club. When you're a member, you can turn around and pick whatever you want, and they give you a real good price. So you pick and choose what you want, something that you they're decent clothes, and something you might play something crazy for. They keep up with the trends and all that type of stuff, and you get a good deal as a member. Also, as a member, you get that subscription every month. So it's sometimes I get stuff that I might not want, but then there's sometimes I get stuff that I think I don't want, but then I turn around and I'm like, oh, I'm rocking with that later. So let's open this up. So last month I had a gentleman, I think it was a gentleman, but somebody on YouTube was like, man, he's more excited about the package than he is about the clothes. But I'm always excited about the clothes. I just was like kind of tripping on, because they usually with the all black package. Now you turn around and you're with the orange or the yellow, the bright colors, but they're with the yellow this month, and they're all yellow. So I thought it would mix and match, but here we go. All yellow. Oh, and the packaging make you wanna keep it. So y'all seen this? If y'all follow me, y'all seen this on my package before. So I go up and down the weight, and it's a white t-shirt, and I like this shirt. I had an extra large in it, and I rocked it, and yeah, kind of love it. So, and it's 5'4", that OG stuff, 5'4" right there. So I'm gonna mess with that still. So I got me a large. I have the other shirt I have is extra large, so I got two on hand. And guess what though? Guess what? Not a package, but decent price. Wow. I ain't paying crazy amounts for a t-shirt. Let's leave this is the February package. Here's another one I just ordered on a good price as a member. Right. Kind of low. Actually, you know what? 5'4", Benlo. However, I'm gonna keep this because I just looked at it. It's not bad, but got the dad on the back too. I like that. That's on the back. But the picture I saw, this was supposed to be. Oh, and you got it. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah. There. So it's supposed to be white up here, and I kind of like cascading down to navy blue. So I don't know. It's a little slip up. It's all good. This is not bad, but it's not what I ordered. So it's all good. We gonna get this to somebody, or are we gonna get that exchange? It's all good. Here it comes. 450 February. There we go. Let's go. You know what I'm talking about? 50. Ooh. And I think I got the one I wanted. Because I know it's a jacket coming in here because of the preview. But, woo. Alright. So we got that black. Kind of just like, you know, throw it on because it's about to be spring, you know. Can't go wrong with the little military. I'm in the military, I guess, you know. I don't dress like that all the time, but got the little 5'4". You know, pockets, wop, you know. I got so many black coats though, but this one I think is gonna go. This one is gonna go a lot. Like that. I like that. Let's see what we got for the shirt. Oh. We got khaki large. Plain Jane, so we can just put that on up under anything. Yep. Here we go. We're good to go, man. We're good to go. I'm not mad at that. 5'4". Appreciate you. Man, low. Appreciate you.